Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 22nd of December. So let's just get cracking right on into the Lookfantastic advent calendar for 2019, and we're opening door number 22. Bubble tea crossover with Lookfantastic salted caramel bath fizzies. Now that's kind of funny because I had a glossy box that basically they have a partnership with Lookfantastic. I had a glossy box last month, or maybe it was October, and the glossy box Halloween box basically gave you a bubble tea and glossy box powder, which didn't really do too much, but it smelled lush. So this is salted caramel, so let's give this a little bit of a smell. Oh wow, okay, wow. That really does smell like salted caramel. I'm really not digging my hair like this. So there are 3 mini bath fizzes in here in a sweet salted caramel fragrance. And this Christmas, make your bathroom sparkle with bubble tea and Lookfantastic's limited edition bath fizzes. And very messy as I pour that onto my hand. Let's have a look at what it says on the Lookfantastic leaflet. Enjoy a luxurious bath in the uplifting scent of this Lookfantastic limited edition bath bomb. Blending delicious fragrances, switch off from the world with an immersive bath experience. Drop under warm running water, soak for as long as desired. The smell is still lingering from the salted caramel. So I'd be interested to see if the water and the fizzing amplifies that. I'd be interested to know if I get a decent amount of fizz if I just put one in the bath, or if I have to put all 3 in. I guess there is only one way to test that theory. You have made it on this journey with me so far to be on day 22. Please tune in again tomorrow to see what I get in the Lookfantastic advent calendar behind door number 23. Thank you guys for watching. As always, it's been a pleasure to have you, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!